We're here to idea you, to fire up your curiosity and connect you with the people and ideas that shape our world. Watch, listen, understand, connect, and create. Let's move the human story forward together.
Hello and welcome to The Poetry of Science, a podcast which provides insight into new scientific research via the medium of poetry. I'm your host, Dr. Sam Illingworth, and each week I'll be introducing you to some of the latest scientific findings and sharing a selection of science-themed poetry. After all, we could all do with a little bit more poetry in our lives. In this episode, I'll be exploring new research which has revealed the mysterious missing component in the clouds of Venus. Amidst acidic clouds, iron's whisper weaves through vapours thick and deep, a violent conference of forces, minerals, reactions, each voice drowned out below the silent space between. In sharp and ferrous hues, heavens dissolve and shift, creating spectrums unseen in clouded rifts too close to touch. A steely cue that the universe holds realms beyond our gentle blues, worlds untamed in sight, in mind, in awe beneath the swirling mists of neighbouring skies. This poem is inspired by recent research published in the journal Science Advances, which has found that Venus's clouds, rich in sulphuric acid and iron minerals, significantly influence its atmosphere and weather patterns. The mysterious clouds of Venus, our neighbouring planet, have long intrigued scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Unlike the Earth's clouds, which are mainly composed of water vapour, Venus's clouds are believed to be made up of sulphuric acid, along with a mix of other elements, including iron-based compounds. These ingredients vary in concentration at different heights in Venus's dense atmosphere. Understanding these clouds is not just a matter of curiosity, but crucial for comprehending the planet's unique environment and weather patterns. In this study, researchers investigated the complexities of Venus's clouds, particularly focusing on the iron-containing minerals that could exist under the harsh conditions found there. They discovered that ferric iron, a form of iron, can react with sulphuric acid to create two specific mineral types, rhomboclase and acid ferric sulfate. The study suggests that these minerals, along with dissolved iron in various concentrations of sulphuric acid, might explain some of the unexplained features observed in Venus's ultraviolet light spectrum. This research points towards a rich and complex chemistry within Venus's cloud droplets, which significantly impacts how the clouds look and behave, as well as the overall atmosphere of the planet. This opens a new chapter in understanding Venus's atmospheric phenomena, which could have broader implications for planetary science. Now that you've heard the science, let me read the poem to you again. Amidst acidic clouds, iron's whisper weaves through vapours thick and deep, a violent conference of forces, minerals, reactions, each voice drowned out below the silent space between. In sharp and ferrous hues, heavens dissolve and shift, creating spectrums unseen in clouded rifts too close to touch. A steely cue that the universe holds realms beyond our gentle blues, worlds untamed in sight, in mind, in awe beneath the swirling mists of neighbouring skies. In this section of the podcast, I'd like to share a poem written by another poet on a topic related to the science that has been discussed so far. In this episode, I'll be reading Venus by D. Nursk. D. Nursk, Poet Laureate of Brooklyn, has numerous poetry collections including The Rules of Paradise, published in 2001, The Fall, published in 2003, and A Country of Strangers, published in 2022. His works, often in free verse and lyric styles, explore intimate and political themes such as family dynamics, love, and the ramifications of war. The child of parents who fled Nazi Europe, Nursk's writings is informed by a rich, complex history. He has gained many accolades for his work, such as the Whitling Writers Award and grants from the National Endowment for the Arts. NERSC has also contributed significantly to human rights initiatives and taught at several prestigious institutions. Venus, by D. NERSC. Death is coming and you must build a starship to take you to Venus. Make it from a catsup bottle, a flashlight coil, a penny, the cat spell, mum's charm bracelet. They say that planet is torment, whipped by circular wind, choked in vitriol clouds, but no. When you get there, it is a light in the sky and I am with you. If you find nothing else, borrow the pleated wing of a winter moth, lighter than dust. Thank you for listening to the Poetry of Science.
Thank you very much for being with us for this episode of the ideaXme Show. ideaXme is a global platform. Our mission is to move the human story forward by sharing knowledge of the future. You can find us on all major audio networks at www.radioideaXme.com, on YouTube and Vimeo. Please subscribe.